Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. I'm actually traveling at the moment for work, so I've got a couple of things that I wanted to make a video about, but what I really want to talk about is this. Don't know if you can see that there. That there is a Chelsea boot. This is like a full leather Chelsea boot, which I've now been wearing for about a week now, and I have fallen in love with these shoes. They are so comfortable and they're decently made, and that's really saying something considering they're from Next. So I went into Next, I think it was last month now, and I saw these and I thought they're not too bad looking, but I was after a brown pair of boots for work, but I've got a brown pair already, and I thought, you know what, well, let's get a black. I've got some black shoes, but they're not very nice. They're not meant to be nice anyway if they're for work, because these will get kicked around, and my other ones look really tired now and I need to replace them. But anyway, I never ever wore a Chelsea boot. I've seen other people wearing them, but what really puts me off them is this bit here, because I think this would like loosen up over time, and I think it will, but it's actually held up pretty well over this past week, and I can't really find anything bad to say about them. They were £50, but I complained that there was a couple of scratches and scuffs that have actually ruined the leather, but it wasn't so bad. I actually was able to fix them myself, and yeah, £50 originally, got them for 42 in the end. Yeah, so not too bad. What I want to do is actually give them their first ever polish, so you're gonna watch that now. Okay, so I'm doing this in the hotel room on a towel right on top of the bed, so make sure you cover any spaces that you don't want to get dirty. And the first thing to do is just to, with a clean brush, I've only got one of these brushes, so I use it for both things. I know I shouldn't do, but that's just the way it is. So you just lightly brush off any grit and crap. There you go, there's one. Get rid of any dirt. To be honest with you, it doesn't really need it, but tomorrow I'm wearing a suit and I want to make sure I look really good. So I'll be using a kiwi shoe polish, and what I would do now is just take a bit of the cloth and just mix that up, and I would coat in a circular motion just like that. Just cover the whole boot or shoe. The good thing is with these Chelsea boots is that there's no laces to take off and put back on, which is really good because I don't have time for that kind of thing, unfortunately. I should make time for it, but time is not always on my hand, as I'm sure it's not on yours. So here we go. Apply a bit more, and this towel's gonna get wrecked. Hopefully they won't say anything in this hotel. So far this hotel has been amazing. It's a Premier Inn hub, which means it's like a little crappy little place, but it's not crappy at all. This is the beauty of it. Come on. Okay. So normally what you would do is have 2 rags and 2 brushes, but unfortunately I don't have 2 of each. I've only brought 1 of each with me. I don't actually have another brush anyway, so I would have only ever brought the 1 brush. So if I just put you to one side, let that soak in a bit, and then do the same thing with this one. Okay, get that all stuck in there, every little nook and cranny. And these little microfiber cloths are really good for buffing and bringing out the shine, but at the moment it's been used for applying the shoe polish. So here we go. Now these shoes say they are real leather. They feel like real leather, and the label says they're real leather, but you can't always trust it from some of these places. Like it'll only be like 20% leather or something like that, and the rest of it's all crap or some form of plastic. You find that a lot now in these jackets. So you'll see like these nice leather jackets, but when you have a look at the label, most of it's polyester of some kind, or it's PVC or something. Alright, so that seems to be coated on both sides. I'm just going to put this down here on the floor, and then the fun starts by just buffing it. Look at that, the shines just come out straight away. Okay, so here we go. So I guess I don't need to buff it. What you can do is, once you've buffed it and it looks nice and shiny, you can go over it with a microfiber cloth and then make sure it's nice and shiny. Or what you can do is reapply and then do the whole process once more. Look at that. Look at that, and they look pretty much brand new. It protects them against rain and drying out, which is good. You can actually get creams to treat your leather on your shoes, and I would recommend doing that. For my suede boots, I have a spray which I use. Look at that, I'm happy with that. I could do another pass on it actually. Hello. interesting. To be honest with you, I just go crazy like this. I don't actually have a pattern. I'm not sure if you should use circular motions or not, but whatever gets the job done, I like it. Now, when you're wearing shoes out in a cold country, they do get ruined a lot quicker, especially in like the UK where it rains all the time, so you do have to protect them if you want them to last, that is. Okay, I think that's good too. What you can do is get little tips for the ends, and you can actually protect the sole from going down so fast. If you suffer from that, I do. Don't know if you can see it there, but it's starting to chip away to one side. It's very, very minimal, you can't see it. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Okay, look at that, guys. Looking good. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe so I know what kind of content you like. Please leave a comment. Tell me how you keep your shoes nice and clean. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.